Every factory has a heartbeat. The industrial air compressor. But how does it create power from thin air?
The compressor pulls in ambient air through filters, removing dust and debris before the real work begins. Inside, the magic happens. Pistons or rotary screws compress the air into a smaller space, drastically increasing pressure. But pressure creates heat, a lot of it, so cooling systems jump in, keeping things from overheating.
Once compressed, the air is stored in tanks, ready on demand. Pressure switches, valves, and gauges ensure safety and control. That compressed air powers tools, controls systems, paints cars, and even makes your sneakers. It's muscle minus the motor. Want more information? Contact us today at www.masterpower.ca or call at +1 647 363 5872.